Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate invoice in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in the WordPress panel. After that, we need to go first to our WooCommerce settings or the WooCommerce extension so we can add some extension that would allow us to have the ability to generate the invoices. So simply, you will need just to go to extensions, and after that, I'm just going to type invoice. So from here, I'm just going to have invoice, and basically we'll need just to search for uh, the extensions that would allow us to generate invoice. So basically here we have this PDF invoice that would allow us to automatically create and attach fully customizable invoice to the order email, or you can have this one. Also, you can do that from the plugins by having, for example, I'm just going to click on add a new plugin, and basically from here, I'm just going to type invoice, and we can find the invoice for WooCommerce. So let's just wait for the search result to appear, and basically, and as a result, we can find this WooCommerce files or extensions. So basically from here we can find or see how they are looking as invoices, and you can start to generate them. So I'm just going to click on install this one, and after that I'm just going to activate it, and it is a WooCommerce plugin, and basically we will need just to install to finish, and we will need after that to activate it. And simply after having the plugin activated, you will need just to go to the WooCommerce orders, for example here, and then we will find the plugins that has been set up. So basically we will be able to just print the packing slip or print the invoice. So here we will be generating the invoice. So as you can see, it will generate my invoice, and you can print it or just having it there. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.